Move to the next, that is a district courts of India. Now, district courts, as you know now, that it is like a subordinate to High Court. So, Supreme Court, High Court, and now the district court. Jurisdiction, now only two types, original and appellate. In Supreme Court it is original, appellate and supervisory. In High Court it was original, appellate and like a supervisory. Like, so advisory, supervisory, and here now original and appellate jurisdiction is there. There Chief Justice of India, here Chief Justice for that particular High Court, and now here district court judges are there, right. So, that is the structure. Now, when we are talking about this district courts, it is like a subordinate, as I have told you, it is below, like subordinate to High Court, and these are located just like High Courts are generally at the in the capital of that particular state. Then the Supreme Court is in New Delhi as a capital of the country.